50 years of Camaro. So we wanted to do something that paid tribute to being the sixth generation to come out 50 years after one in September of '67. So you'll see the midnight silver color. They all come in that color. But we've got a nice satin wood stripe with the orange accent. And what we've done is we didn't want to make a billboard. We want to do subtle tributes to the 50s. So we didn't use Philo. Everybody uses Philo. So we used the word 50. And you'll see it subtly done in the hood bracket on the driver's side. Also, you'll see that we've got the accessory front grille with the dark SS. Again, toning down anything that would stand out and take away from the color scheme. As you come around the side, you can see the center caps. It says celebrating 50 years of Chevrolet Camaro. Again, subtle but strong. Strong statement of 50 years. How many cars say they've been around 50 years? Come back a little bit further, you see the fender, again, with the 50 badge. We've written out 50 with the orange accent in the eye. And come back a little further, we have the leather seats in silver and black, or gray and black, if you will, and the orange accent stitching to carry the orange theme through the middle. The steering wheel has this 50 logo at the 6 o'clock position. And if you don't want or can't get a 50th anniversary car, any 2017 to get that 50 badge in 6 o'clock position on the steering wheel, because why? They're all 50 years old, right? So that's our little celebration for every 70. One of the neatest things on the interior side is it's very subtle, again, in that theme of proud but subtle and not becoming a driving billboard, is look at the dot matrix pattern on the instrument panel insert. And you'll see, especially from the driver's side, you look over and the dot matrix forms this thick in the dot matrix pattern. A lot of people don't even see that, and then you look at it and then you can't stop looking at it. It's really cool. Carry the dark SS into the seats, as you see here. Also, the 50 logo is emblazoned on the headrest. And carrying the orange thread back through here, and you see the stripes carry through on this convertible all the way around the back. The back has a tribute to some of the Camaros of the past. If you're familiar with Berger Camaros, they always had the blacked out deck lids. One of my personal favorite looks on the Camaros over the years. So we've got a satin version of that. It's a closeout piece. Again, it's subtle but strong. And then the 50 emblazons this as well with the orange accent in the eye. So this is a beautiful tribute. Our design guy over here, you know, John. All right, John Matt in the back. Adam Barry's here. I don't know if we have Tristan or Ryan, the interior guys, but we have a very great family in the Camaro team between engineering, design, and manufacturing. And it's been a lot of passionate hours working together, trying to come up with things. After listening to people like yourselves who come to all the Camaro shows, we actually take apart what you guys want in vehicles. So this subtle but strong is kind of the theme that I call this car in tribute to 50 years. So this is our 50th anniversary. Like I said, I've met a couple of you that have actually purchased these. We will. How many of you have 50s? I know that's a couple, but we'll build as many as you want. So they're available all year. So that's our 50th anniversary. Now,